Assalamu alaikum everyone. Hey guys, my name is Shahulan. You're watching Shahulan Vlogs. I'm a second year physiotherapy student studying in Narayana Hrutyalaya Institute of Physiotherapy, Bangalore. And this video is particularly for my first year juniors and all the other, newcomers and starting the physiotherapy course. And if you're, new to this channel, please hit the subscribe button and like this video, so that you get good luck for the rest of the physiotherapy course. So yeah, let's start with the video. In this video I'm going to be telling you 5 things about what I learned about my physiotherapy course and what I learned in the first year particularly. So yeah, 5 important things which you will have to concentrate in your first year of physiotherapy, and you will have to understand those 5 things which will be important for your first year of the course. So let's go, but before that, intro. Coming to the first thing in what I learned in my first year of physiotherapy. So first thing which I learned was biomechanics subject is the king of the first year subjects. Okay, you will have to learn biomechanics in order to exceed and succeed all the limitations and expectations of your teachers and yourself in the upcoming physiotherapy years, in your second, third and fourth. Because if you do not learn biomechanics, you will not know what is flexion, what is extension, what is hyperextension, what is abduction, what is adduction. These are the terms and these are the basic terms which you will have to know for progressing, and these simple terms which you learn in biomechanics will go on for life. You will go on learning them for life once you take up this physiotherapy course. I'll tell you why biomechanics is king, okay? Because all the practicals which you will do from first year onwards, let it be electrotherapy, let it be exercise therapy, and let it be any practicals and clinicals which you perform in your third, fourth and your internship, you will have to know biomechanics, or you would not cope up with your people or your students or your classmates. Biomechanics is that subject where you have basics for physiotherapy, and you will know where to extend your arm, where you will have to flex your arm, where you will have to rotate your arm, where you will have to lateral flexions, all the concepts literally. Once you learn biomechanics, you will succeed in all the other subjects. And if you concentrate very well in biomechanics, you will have no problem doing the practicals. Practicals is the third point which I'll come to that, but this is the first point which I learned. Biomechanics is the king. Treat it as the king, okay? And you will succeed in your physiotherapy first year. So moving on to the second topic, that is ट्रांजिशन तो होने वाला है नहीं, वैसे भी मैं एडिट करके मैं वहाँ पे ली सेकेंड टॉपिक कट हो रहा है. So the second topic is anatomy is the queen. So anatomy is the queen because you will have to learn anatomy no matter what. Okay, and it is a very fragile subject because you will have to learn each and everything in your human body. That is what is anatomy. You will have to learn where the muscle is getting attached. You will have to know what type of joint is this shoulder joint. Is it a ball and socket? Is it a plane joint? Is it a pivot joint? What type of fluid is inside the joint? What type of nerves are going on? What nerves are passing through the muscle, through the joint? Every single minute detail you will have to learn in anatomy. So anatomy is the queen. Treat it as the queen. Respect your queen subject, that is anatomy, because in anatomy you will learn everything about human body again, and it is very important because once you learn anatomy, right, biomechanics is very easy. So biomechanics and anatomy go in hand, okay? So if you learn anatomy, biomechanics is gonna be easy, and if you learn biomechanics, anatomy you've already learned. So anatomy is queen. Please study that. all the nerves, all the muscle point insertions. Especially for physiotherapy students, you will have to learn the muscle insertions and origins, and the innervations, and the blood supplies for the muscles, the type of joint, what the joint does, the movement which is taking place in the joint, simple movements, and what innervation the joint is getting, and the synovial fluids and all the things. Muscles, joints, two important things which you have to learn. Also, neuro in physiotherapy is very important, because you will be treating in your future, hopefully you will be treating neuro patients which are which have been into paralysis, which have muscle ataxia, neuralgias. So you have to learn neuro, you have to know your brain, because then it'll be easy for you in your future. So that is the second point. Anatomy is the queen of the subjects. You will have to learn anatomy, and biomechanics is the king, as I said it in the first point. So moving on to the third point. So the third point is very, very important, because you will have to concentrate more on your practicals rather than on your theory. See, the thing is, some people might argue that if you do not learn theory, what will you learn in your practicals? Wrong. You will learn more in your practicals rather than the theory. I feel very bad for this pandemic students, because they are not getting practicals. I am very sorry for you guys, but I will tell you simple things which you can perform in your home. So biomechanics, I'll make another video for that. I'll make another video for biomechanics practicals in home, and if you can perform with your parents or your siblings, or if you're in the hostel with your hostel mate, so I'll make a different video for that. But for now, practicals, you have to give more preference to practicals rather than the theory. So if you are watching, and if you have been to the practical classes in your college, you will know that it's very easy for you to grab onto topics and stuff which they teach in practicals rather than theory. This is a basic thing for humans, because visually if you see things, you remember it quickly rather than studying and trying to force your brain to gulp up the topics. So practicals, you have to give more preference to theory. Please do not bunk classes when you have practicals. Bunk classes whenever there is theory, or whenever you have a boring subject, but I do not advise to that. Okay, do not bunk. Concentrate. 4 ही साल हैं यार, concentrate कर लो, बाद में bunk करो, कहीं भी जाओ. So yeah, practicals more than theory. Just practicals. Give preference to practicals. Okay. So the fourth point is, you will have to study to learn rather than study to pass, because studying to learn will make you remember things for a longer time, and it will go on for your life. And studying to pass is just eating and vomiting, which is very bad for your future. Mind you, studying to pass, you will learn like this in the day before your exams, and you're gonna gulp everything out on the paper, but you will not learn anything, and it's of no use of writing your exam also. What are you gonna do if you do not have the information in your upcoming years? So you will have to study to learn rather than study to pass. So try to understand each and every concept. Biomechanics, let it be anatomy, let it be biochemistry, let it be physiology. So you will have to learn each and every concept, like just relate to your human body. You have a perfect example. It's you are the perfect example. Learn with your perfect example. Learn your body, learn the mechanisms which are going on. Imagine, visualize, do whatever, but learn. Do not study to pass. Study to learn. When you study to learn, you will pass eventually. So it's simple. Just like the 3 Idiots thing. Success के पीछे मत भागो, perfection के पीछे भागो, success खुद झक मार के बाहर जाए. Something related to 3 Idiots, that something like that. So learning के पीछे भागो, passing marks झक मार के पीछे आएंगे. Okay, so yeah. Okay, so yeah, that is the fourth point. So study to learn rather than study to pass. Okay, so the last and the fifth point which I learned in my first year of physiotherapy was that you will have to rely on question papers at the last moment if you do not study properly. But when relying on question papers will be your savior. You cannot, go around, passing without, looking at your question papers. Some people say, hey, I learned from textbook, everything I know is fine, I know what are the, topics. No, you won't know. Okay, watch, see your question papers once. You will know what type of questions which will be asked in your in your exam. The type of questions will be very confusing sometimes, and you will not know what to write. You will know what is there in the topic, okay, but you won't know what exactly to write in there. So go through your question papers, it will be a savior. And sometimes if you go through your 10-year question papers in your university, if it is available, you will crack what type of questions might come in the next year also. So yeah, go through your question papers are a savior. So yeah, question papers are a savior. So go through that and it'll be easy peasy lemon squeezy your first year. So all the 5 points, please keep that in mind and learn and have fun, in your first year and your second year and your third year. Have fun whenever you're studying. It's not like studying is a burden. Have fun whatever you can, study whenever. Those are the 5 points which are very important, which I learned from my first year of physiotherapy in my first year. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video, guys. I hope that you learned something, and please follow these 5 tips and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. मैंने पहले ही बोल दिया था यार subscribe करने को. You haven't subscribed, then subscribe. Most of the people who are watching do not subscribe. They just watch एंड निकल जाते हैं. प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब कर दो. एक ही तो बटन दबाना है और लाल को ग्रे करना. दबा दो यार. जस्ट प्रेस इट. जस्ट प्रेस द बटन. डन. बेल नोटिफिकेशन. टिंग टिंग टिंग. Like the video. Share it with your friends. Share it in your physiotherapy groups. I know you have all groups, named as therapist, groups, physio buddies and all. Share कर दो वहाँ पे. एक ही तो share करना है. Just share and then it will spread. Thank you so much for watching Shahul Vlogs. And I'll take another video where I'll be explaining, physiotherapy practicals, that is biomechanics practicals, how you can do it at home. So just subscribe so that you get the notification for that video also. Okay, I'm Shahul and I'm signing off. Keep watching Shahul Vlogs. Until then, bye bye.